Hello everyone, and this is my new project here. And today we got to make a camera for the baby because we got a baby in my family now, so we have to use some security camera. But if you don't you don't want to buy one on the internet, you can just make by yourself. You can just use the esp32-cam and some IRs, light board, and a light with servos, and you can make the 360 degrees camera. And this is a show video. As you can see, it's move a little bit smooth, but not very smooth because some code issues. And if you guys got a code issues, I will make a video, and you just get a question down to the comments, and I will make a video for that. And now you can see it's a diagram for this project, and it's got a esp32-cam, and I will put a link below. It's my GitHub link, and this is another one cam diagram. And this is all materials I got. This got the antenna and the switch and the board. And this is my first step. You have to soldering some things like a switch onto the board. And this is a picture on the other side. You can put a buzzer on that, or just use a yellow LED light. And that's pins. You can see the 6 pins for servos, 2 servos. And this is the lines, the wire after wiring. And this is a finished picture. The cam is on the top and the IR light is below. And I made a box for it. And this, I make a smile on the cardboard. And this is my final project picture. There's a back picture, and you can use Type-C to power this old system. And the lines under Type-C is a servos. And this is a display picture, and it's a little bit not very how to say that, professional. Oh, here, this is another cam, but with no servos, and it's a little bit smaller. Yeah, you can also use Type-C to power this system, and just remember you have to use the SD card plug into. And this is all assemble pictures, the camera 1 and the camera 2. And now there's a video to display how this system works. You can see you can connect to your local Wi-Fi, and you will get the pages for that. Is your IP address, and you will see the video, the serious video on the website, and got the 4 buttons for control the servos. And you can see the left button is to control the servos, the system turn left, and the right button is turn right, etc. And I think this servos is not very smoothly because my code issues. I got some code issues here, and maybe I will just improve that in the future. But I put my code on GitHub, and the link is below the information bar. You guys can just download it and maybe give some feedback for the errors. And if you guys got the errors or question, you can just put in the comments, and I will make a video for that. And now this section is to test the IR lights. You can see there is a resistance below the IR lights board, and if you cover it, it will light up. And now I will turn all my lights, and you can see this is IR lights. You can't see this kind of lights with your eyes. You have to see this through your cell phone. And this is the effect. to say that, pretty bright, because now the situation is all dark. The whole environment is all dark, not lights. But this IR light can give you the bright serious video. It's pretty good. And this picture is I made an app for that, and you can choose the video or the picture you want. You just need to push the button, push the switch, and you can switch to another display video. And the yellow button is for how to say that, refresh your video series. And thanks for your watching. The all information and my GitHub links is down in the information bar down below the video. And if you get any question about the code or some issues, and you can just make a comment down, and I will make a video for that, like code explanation or like diagram, the wiring issues, and I will make all explanation in next video if you guys comments below. And thanks for watching today again. Bye bye.